Hello, this is Dr. Behnam, board certified dermatologist, and I specialize in doing stem cell hair restoration. Welcome to another stem cell video. I'm going to show you guys another patient of mine. This is a young gentleman who came in complaining of thinning quite a bit in the frontal scalp area. And we already drew the blue line right here, right before the procedure, to indicate what areas we're going to focus on. So the patient came in, we did PRP first. That means we drew 60 ml of blood, and then we concentrated the PRP. And the reason why we do 60 ml of PRP is because if you do anything lower, you're going to get a lower concentration of platelets. So, and we are one of the only groups in the country where we do 60 ml or 80 ml in one session. So we did 60 ml PRP, and then we took umbilical cord stem cell, and this is a 30 million umbilical stem cell and mix it with the PRP. We numbed the area. We always numb for stem cells, and also we use laughing gas to minimize the pain of the injection numbing. So we use laughing gas, we numb the area, so once we start the procedure, patient is really in no pain. We injected the procedure in a very unique way for stem cell injections, and we saw the patient, this is about 4 months later. So you can see I actually tried to really open up the part of the hair as well, but there's just a lot of hair, so it's really covering the frontal area. This patient actually initially came in and he told me that he didn't think he saw any improvements, and the reason is because he looks at himself, and people look at themselves every day, so you don't see the day-to-day change. But here it is, this is 4 months later, that's before, that's after, doing one stem cell PRP procedure. The result usually is going to last about a year to year and a half. Everyone's different. We do have a special technique in our office where we have learned that now we're pushing the results more towards the year and a half mark. But he's very happy, he's very excited. Again, he's a young gentleman that was thinning in the front, and we did one procedure of stem cell PRP and really helped thicken up the hairs in the front. Thank you so much for listening.